What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. I'm doing an install on a client. Today's hair is sponsored by Asteriahair. They sent me a 13x4 20-inch curly lace front wig, and I believe the lace itself is HD. We're just gonna get started. I'm gonna start with the braid down situation. This particular client, she is a perfect example of just eyeballing to see how big or small the braids can be. She has pretty fine hair, so I'm able to do bigger braids on her and still achieve a flatter canvas. If her hair was to be super duper thick, then of course I would do smaller braids, but I was able to, get some fairly medium to big braids with her. Next, I'm going to be putting on my cap. I've been trying this out for a little bit. This is my first time trying the sheer cap method with white tights. And I gotta say, this is one of the best ball cap methods ever. Like, I don't think I'm gonna use the regular caps anymore. As you guys can see, I already put the adhesive along her hairline, and I'm able to see that. I'm able to see her hairline clearly. You don't really get to see the hairline that clearly with the regular caps unless you really stretch it, and even then you barely see it. So this kind of helps a lot because it lets you know that you're not covering any extra areas that are not being put to use. I suggest you guys try this particular cap method out and let me know how it works for you. You can get these sheer tights from Walgreens or Walmart. Anywhere with the hosiery section, you should be able to find them. So moving along, we're gonna begin with the install, y'all. This was her first time wearing a curly wig, so throughout this video, y'all just gonna be seeing her like, oh my god. I'm taking my Prep Me lace primer, and y'all, look at that cap. What did I say? Look at that cap. Like, it was giving everything it was supposed to give. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking my Prep Me lace primer and just going along the hairline with that before I apply my adhesive. I'm going to be applying 3 layers today, but you guys will only see me apply, I think, 1 to 2. I didn't film all of this part, but yes, I'm going to apply all my layers. Don't forget that you're able to add the adhesive before all of your layers dry, so you can go in back to back just to get all of them layers in there before the complete drying process begins. Guys, this lace was really nice. It is an HD lace, but it's more on the durable side. So I was telling her, like, yeah, you'll be able to get a few wears and tears out of this lace before you have to replace it. And that's always just a good thing with durable laces, not just HD laces. So shout out to Asteria for that. Look at the melt. Look at the melts. Jeesh, 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 jeesh. Man, it was everything. It was giving everything it was supposed to give. But yes, I'm going in and I'm cutting. Today I'm using my scissors and I'll be using a zigzag motion just to give it a more natural appearance. After I do that, I'm going to go in with my adhesive and just fill in the spots that are not adhered to the skin. Do not skip this part because, yeah, it's very crucial to how long your install will last. After that, I'm going to section out the baby hairs. And y'all, I don't know like what's going on. Every time I go to film my baby hairs, I don't even be filming for real. So I'm sectioning out the baby hairs, but I didn't actually capture me doing the baby hairs. And it kind of made me sad because, I don't know, I was working hard on those and I was going to explain how baby hairs take a long time, but just take as much as you need until you get the desired look. And y'all, I wasn't even filming, so that kind of made me a little bit mad or whatever. I'm going to apply my melt band before I do the baby hairs, but you guys won't get to see the baby hairs on camera. And while the melt band is doing what it's supposed to do, I'm going to go in on my hot comb. You already know the deal. Section each piece and hot comb it to give it a more flat appearance. And after that, that's just pretty much it. This hair is from Asteriahair. I really love the texture on this unit. It was such a pretty curl, and it didn't take that much work to maintain the curls and define the curls. It wasn't shedding too much. My only thing is just the fucking hair stinks. It stinks so bad. The hair really smelled. You guys will see her reaction because, like I said, this is her first time trying curly hair. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already and turn on your post notifications so that you're aware of when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one.
Damn, I should have been recording already.
No!
Oh my god. Bitch. Woo! Because I never tried nothing new.
You look good, girl.
If I do my, don't play with me.